Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Chainlink from your MetaMask wallet to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need MetaMask installed on your browser with some Chainlink tokens in your wallet. Also, ensure your Revolut app is updated and that you've enabled cryptocurrency features. It's straightforward in the app settings. Step 1. Open MetaMask and switch to the Ethereum mainnet. Chainlink operates on the Ethereum blockchain, so double-check you're on the right network to avoid any errors. Step 2. In Revolut, navigate to the Crypto tab, select Chainlink, and generate or copy your deposit address. This is crucial. Always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Back in MetaMask, go to your assets, select Chainlink, and click Send. Paste the Revolut address you copied, enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to account for gas fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Make sure the recipient address is correct, the amount is accurate, and you're okay with the fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes to process. After it's sent, you can check the status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always prioritize security and use strong passwords. There you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from MetaMask to Revolut in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying cautious is key. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.